Welcome, viewers. This is our son, about to be 4 years old next year. He is having very much interest in car, vehicles, train, driving. So we have taken him today in a factory, and he was insisting to take seat on it and will drive. So for the time being, he has been given the opportunity to sit and drive as per his own wish. Laddu, কি করছো? গাড়ি চালাচ্ছো? কি গাড়ি? হ্যাঁ? এটা রোলার, রোড রোলার। তো কি গাড়ি চালাচ্ছো? রোড রোলার গাড়ি। ভালো লাগছে? আচ্ছা, চালাও। ওই যে দেখাচ্ছে একটা জেসিবি দাঁড়িয়ে আছে দূরে, জেসিবি চেনে। জেসিবি জায়গাটা ভেঙে গেছে, আচ্ছা ঠিক করতে হবে। নাকটা চাপা দিয়ে রাখো। হ্যাঁ, ওকে, he has been driving as per his own way, and the most important thing is that he's getting interest in different mechanisms, in different machines, learning. He has got the inquisitive mind and learning interest. He is driving. Okay, encouraging. Okay, chalao.